Now MCQ, the equivalent resistance between A and B. That point is A and that point is B. So our motto, it is clear. Our motto, determine equivalent resistance between A and B. So how can we determine? If you see very carefully, if that point is A, that is also A, that point is also A, and that point is also A. Clear or not? Because of no resistance between that point into that point and that point into that point. Same thing here. Here that point is B, so that are also B, and this is also B, and this is also B. Clear or not? Okay. And after that, you can say that if you make, okay, or you can say these three are parallel, these three also parallel. Clear or not? And these two are in series. These two are in series. Clear or not? After that, you can say that these three are parallel, so that is parallel combination R by 3. This was series, so that is 2R, and that is R by 3, and that is 2R. Clear or not? And that one is a dummy resistance, no current flow in this resistance and this resistance, so this resistance is not considered here. Okay. Now redraw. That point is A and that point is B. Clear? Clear? Now we have considered that point is C and that point is D. So A to C, first of all, draw A to C. A to C. Okay, that point is C. A to C is R by how much? 3. And after that, C to B, that point is C. That point is C. C to B, C to B, that is, this one is 2R and this one is R. This is R and that one is 2R combination. Okay, that's why. In here, A to D, A to D, and also connect, this one is R and that is 2R. That point is D. And after that, that point is R by, these are equivalent resistances. Okay, clear or not? And that point is B. Okay. Now after that, if you see very carefully, these two are parallel and these two also parallel. Okay, so that one is written as 2R by 3 and this one is also written as 2R by 3, combination of these two. Okay. Now after that, redraw again, that is R by 3 and this one is 2R by 3, that is 2R by 3, and that one is R by 3, that is A and that is B. Okay. Now if you see very carefully, these two are series. Okay, and these two also series. Okay, combination of these two, that is R. Okay, R by 3 plus 2R by 3, that is R, and this combination also R. So if you redraw again, that is R, and this one is also R. and that is A, and that is B. Okay, so R of AB is, both are parallel, so that is R by 2 is the right answer. Clear or not? Okay, see very carefully. If any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay, make it.